Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks spatial audio. Do this now. Check that your device and headphones support spatial audio and that the OS, firmware, and app are updated to the latest versions. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is paired correctly, location and system audio permissions are enabled, and the correct audio codec is selected. You need these basics set because the rest of the fix depends on a clean, supported foundation. Skip nothing, and proceed immediately to configuration. Next, adjust settings precisely so spatial audio becomes available. Open the system or app audio settings and explicitly select the spatial audio output for the paired device. Do not assume automatic switching. Then, temporarily disable other audio enhancements, EQ, Dolby, Virtual Surround, because they can block the spatial stack. After that, forget the Bluetooth device, reboot your device, and repair. Once reconnected, reselect the spatial option. These steps reinitialize audio routing and clear conflicts that prevented availability. Finally, complete verification and handle remaining issues. Play verified spatial content in a supported app to confirm the stream and metadata show spatial audio. If it works, you're done. If not, reset the app's audio settings, update the headphone firmware via the manufacturer tool, and try again. If trouble persists, capture an audio diagnostic log and note timestamps where spatial fails, because when you contact support, those logs speed repairs. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different compatible device to isolate whether phone or headphones are at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.